Guys, this month we crossed 20k. Finally, we crossed 20k. And this is amazing. And this is more amazing when I will get the money of this month, because they're gonna arrive next month. And guys, probably we are gonna cross 30k. But that's another point. So, as you know, I'm trying to document all my income here. If you want, you can download it in the description and do yours, because it's so important to take care of your investments, of your money, and thanks to that you can know where you are putting your money. We can start immediately with liquidity. I have 1,760 on Revolut. In other cards, I have 2,804, because I took all my tips from work, because as you know, I moved from London, now I'm in Sicily, and in a month I'm gonna go to Australia, so I don't need cash, of course. So I put all the money in Monzo, and I moved also to Revolut. But the biggest part of this money are from one of my investments, the prop firm. So I will show you later on that, and I move all this money here. I have in the Trust Wallet $2,800, so very nice. We have 4,564 in liquidity, and I have to move this money because I stopped there without doing anything, so I'm gonna move them. But before moving them, I need to know more things about some upgrade in the tools that I'm using, and I'm gonna update you straight away. But before that, we have to talk about crypto. Crypto, guys, is the same situation since month now. We lost like the 8.91% in crypto this month. I don't need the money of crypto now. Of course, everyone is wishing for this bull run, but it's getting very difficult now. I have, of course, also the grid specific for every crypto, and you can also download it and use it if you want. Of course, it's not financial advice, it's the crypto that I decided to invest in. We have Ethereum, it lost the 4%, Solana 5%, FET 7%, AR and Injective, that are like the crypto I invest more, probably, they lost 20% and 13%. The money that I have in crypto, I don't need, so it's okay. But I don't want to diversify anymore in crypto. Probably I'm gonna add another K this or the next month, let's see. But as I said, I have to understand very well what we have to do with these tools. Guys, here it's time to talk about tools. This is the most interesting part. I love this part because, guys, these tools are going crazy. As you know, if you follow me on Telegram, and you should do, I'm documenting the tools that I'm trying. As a tool, I talk about copy trading software and other tools that I tried. But at the end, the only one that's really worth is the copy trading software. That is a tool that I'm using since a lot. It's like more than 6 months now. And we have my previous account where I didn't touch anything. At February, it was at 1,175. Now, the 1st of July, we are at 1,700, guys. Since the beginning, it did the 70%. This is crazy. And then, after 3 months, I decided to open the second account with 5k. So, at April, it was at 5k. In May and in June, I had 3k. But, guys, it did the 2k of profit. It did the 2k of profit. In these 3 months, we are now at 10k 278 euro in this tool, that if I want, I can take it out now. I'm very confident on this tool. I did a video just about that, go and watch it, and because of that I want to invest more. But the point is that in these days they did some news. They are gonna open a PAM. I don't know if you know what it is. It's like a place where you put the money, and then more tools are gonna work on that money. So it's not just one, but they're gonna use also other tools. Last week, guys, it did like 5%. 6%, is crazy. Net profit, I'm talking about net profit. But if you go on my Telegram, you can see every day the profit that you do, or the loss of course, and understand everything. But guys, it's crazy. So yeah, I have like 11k on this tool. And then, conto cofinanziato is another tool that I was using. At the end, I take it out all the money, as you know, as I explained in the other videos, exactly because not that good. And then about the prop, I have big news for you. I put 0 here because in reality I put 2k by mistake, because I invested 2k, but the money I don't have anymore. Now we finally arrived at break even. Now we know that this tool works. It's like 5 months that I'm using it. It's another kind of investment. There are these people that use your prop and work on that prop, and then the profit we are gonna split 50% them and 50% me. Now you can do also, if you wanna try and use also this tool, you can go on my Telegram, write to me, and I explain how to do that. Until now, I just let people use the other software that I'm using, because in that tool I arrived quite immediately at break-even, and I'm investing a lot. In fact, there is a big group of people that is using it with me. We are like now 20 people with big investments. There is a guy that have also more money than me, like 14k now. And guys, it's going very great. By the way, so guys, the total net worth now is of 21.432k. The gross is 3,876 euro. The money that arrived are of course from the work, and from the network of the tool that I'm using, because as I explained you in the other videos, there is also this opportunity to get money from that. So me and the other people that are using that are doing this, so very well, we can get money also from that. And guys, if I have 10k invested, it's because I really believe on that, so why not? And yeah, we are going very great. But guys, you don't have any idea how much money I'm gonna come next month, because the commission arrive 1 month after, and this is amazing. But guys, you can imagine that we just did 1k, more than 1k this month as a passive income from the software. Imagine 1k in Bali when I'm gonna move there. This is crazy, guys. This is very, very crazy. By the way, so the diversification is 21.30% in liquidity, 22.79% in crypto, and 55.92% on tools, the tools that I'm using. I really cannot wait to see these videos in a year, like me diversifying in houses and startups and other stuff, but we need money for do that. So for now, guys, we are growing very well. On February we were at 9k, now we are at 21k. It's not bad. It's not bad. We are going great. I think we are going great. What I'm talking about now is just a synthesis of what I explain and talk everywhere, every day on my Telegram group, so go there, and also on my Instagram. Just follow me there. If you have any question or you want to understand better the things, there is everything. And of course you can write to me, why not? Basta, guys, I think we are done. See you next week with the new video. Bella.